hungry.
Give me something good.
Hi, and welcome to another episode of Görgött. I'm in Bangkok, in Chinatown, and I thought I would take you on a food tour with me. Now, I've never been on this food tour, so it's new for me as well, so we'll experience it together. But it's supposed to be kind of an insider street food guide to Bangkok. I think we'll eat around 15 different dishes in 4 hours, so bear with me. Let's get going. So we're on foot on our way to the first place to eat. We're in Chinatown in Bangkok, so the food will be kind of, it won't be Chinese, but it also won't be Thai. It will be a mix of the two. So let's see what awaits us. I'm excited. So this is a chive cake. There's two different versions that she's serving. One is fried, that's more to the Thai taste. And then there's one that's filled in a dumpling. That's more the Chinese taste. And we're gonna try the fried one. So what you have here is basically pork shank. And it's being stewed in 5-spice sweet soy for many hours until it's really soft. And that's gonna be on the menu as well. So these are the crispy chive cakes, served with a sweet chili dipping sauce, well, sweet soya with chilies and vinegar. So we got served. This is the chive cake, the crispy fried one, for the Thai version.
It's not that bad.
We're dipping it in the sweet soy, chili, and vinegar dip. It's done with chives and 3 different kinds of starch.
Some people they got like
I hope you can still hear me because there's a lot of noise in the background. Quite nice. To me, this is not a must. It's a kind of nice to have, but I don't think I would ever crave it. But it's nicely done. The woman that does it has been doing it for 30 years. Let's see what's next. Oh, I know what's next. It's the pork shank. So now, here's the pork shank. Just loosen it from the bone. And you eat it with vinegar, chili, and garlic.
On top of the meat and they eat together. Yeah, but you can.
So let's dig in. I didn't put a lot of extra chili on. I just put the pickled chili garlic sauce. Very nice. It's kind of a sweet 5-spice sauce, and the pickled vinegary sauce really cuts through it nicely. Very nice. The meat just falls apart. Now, would I go back for this one? Yeah. I wouldn't go back for the first one, but this is really, really nice. Let's see what's up next. So this is the next course. We're having satay. We're having pork satay, which is apparently the most common satay in Thailand. But it's not chicken. And this satay maker is by appointment of the Queen, apparently. So it's supposed to be the best satay that you can get in Thailand. Let's see. So this is where they're preparing the satay spits, putting pork on there. He's a master at it. There we have our satay. Very nice cucumber relish and some sauce.
And say this jalapeno is quite spicy.
Let's dig in.
But normally jalapeno is spicy, right? For you?
Yeah, sometimes you have mild ones. Yeah, they do. Jesus Christ.
The sauce is nice, bit of spice. The satay spit has a nice char to it.
Maybe this time video you go in Thailand, that's why it's more
Very nice.
spicy.
Let's try some of the relish. Excellent. I can understand why the Queen prefers this one. Now on to the next. So up next is a nice glass noodle soup. See how that tastes. It's served with a spicy sauce. So let's give this a try. As opposed to Japan, in Thailand you don't slurp.
Thank you.
Nice. Chicken, egg, chives, glass noodles, some cabbage. We'll put in some spicy sauce. Mix that around. Try again. Very good. Again, I don't think I would come back for this, but this is good. So now I don't know what's up next. This is our fourth dish. Another 11 to go. I'll see you in a bit. So here we're at Show One Table, and they're famous for their dumplings. We can see how they make them here. It's recommended by the Michelin guide, so it should be something pretty special. So here we have the cooked dumplings. Now let's give that a try.
Do you want more?
Yes.
Yes, please.
I can see why the Guide Michelin has recommended this place. Amazing dumplings. You should give it a try. This is definitely the highlight so far. So let's see what's next. So this is the next stop. Jackpui curry. And it's apparently famous from a Netflix series, so it's called the Netflix curry. And it's a green curry. Let's see what it tastes like. So here we have our plate of Netflix curry. It's a chicken curry and it's served with some sausage on the side. Very good.
Usually this shop that they serve the curry with the sausage because there is
Also the rice is also.
they want to balance the taste. Yeah, that's why they have like a sausage on the
Oh, the
side.
curry is nice.
Very sweet,
But again, I'm not sure I would go back here. It's good, but not, yeah, not my thing.
So this is pork again.
Chicken in the curry and the sausage is a pork.
I've had better green curry. Let's see what's next. So you see the sign there, the green bowl? It's really the sign of approval from Tanasi, who's passed away, who used to be the head chef for the royal family, and every dish had to pass through him. So if you're in Thailand and you're looking for a good restaurant and you see that green bowl, it's a sign of approval from him. So next stop is apparently a pepper noodle soup made with white and black pepper. And the noodles look like triangle sheets before you cook them, and then they roll up, and there's also like a rolled noodle soup. It's another name for it. Let's see what this tastes like. It's apparently a very famous place again, recommended by the Guide Michelin, but I've heard that a lot tonight, so I'm not sure. But let's see what it tastes like. So it's also apparently known as hangover food and has pork belly in it. Very peppery. But if you like pepper, it's very nice. Will I ever crave it? Probably not. But still a very nice soup. What I'll do with all of these is in the description below, I'll put Google map links so that you can find these places if you want to go to them. and at the end I'll tell you which one I would go back to. Now it's time, I think there's a bit of a strange sequencing now, because I think we're going for ice cream, and then we're going to finish with a proper meal at the restaurant. So ice cream first and then restaurant. I'll see you at the ice cream. So we're in the Healthy Boy brand store, and we're here for ice cream because they're making a soy ice cream. Let's see what it tastes like. Oh, Healthy Boy brand. It's soy sauce, or sauce in general brand in Thailand. I'll put this down and we'll see if we can give it a try. It's like a soft ice. Really good. Anyone who likes salted caramel ice cream will like this. I think the flavor is called Romantic Night. Not sure it's very romantic, but soy ice cream is good. And after this, we're apparently on to a restaurant to eat dinner again. So it's a lot of food on this tour. I'll see you at the restaurant. So we're at the final place, and we're starting off with a green mango. And on the green mango you put a mix of palm sugar, fish sauce, and dried shrimp. So I will try to film when I do that. I'll turn the camera around. There's a green mango. And have this in the mouth. It's not bad, but it won't be my favorite. So we get the stir-fried clams and coconut red chili paste sauce. It's supposed not to be too spicy. The mussels, very good. Nice sauce, not too spicy. Now if I could do this sauce, which is the normal bongo there, I think it would be amazing. Because the mussels didn't consume too much of the taste. But yeah, I think that's pretty much it. Well, there's water spinach. I'm not going to kill me. So I will let this go through my head, and then I'll finish it off in a second with letting you know what I thought from our recommendation. I'm back in the room in the hotel. What's the rundown? It was a really cool experience. I think it's, if you're into food and you're in Bangkok for the first time and you want to learn about Thai food, then you should try this street food tour out. It's 4 hours. You're walking around. What I have to say though, there's some caveats. It's all in Chinatown. So I would say most of it is influenced by the Chinese cuisine, which is not necessarily bad, but it's probably a different cuisine to kind of the pure Thai food that you would find in Bangkok. There were some highlights. At the top of my head, I loved the dumplings. Again, not very Thai, but they were amazing. The satay spits were very good, the pork satay. The start with the pork knuckle was amazing as well. I thought the green curry, the Netflix curry, very average. The rice wasn't very good. The curry was not amazing either, so I wouldn't go back there. Where would I go back to? I would go back to the pork shank place. I would go back to eat the satay again. They also had an amazing soup there. I think those are the two places I would really want to go back to if I'm ever in Bangkok again. The rest was a great experience. A good guide, very knowledgeable about kind of Thai food culture. So yeah, well worth doing it if you're a foodie in Thailand for the first time, kind of looking to find out a bit more about the culture. And what I would say as well is, I was here 16 years ago, and back then I didn't really dare to eat in these places where we've eaten today. So it's cool for that. You eat in places where would normally, from the surface, kind of look like dirty, shabby places, but some of them really had amazing food. So that's that's kind of the learning. Don't be scared, but I think it's good that you have a guide so that you don't go wrong and kind of end up lying in your hotel room for the next couple of days, which I hope I'm not going to do, but I don't think so. No. So all in all, well worth it if you want to find out more about Thai food. I hope you enjoyed it. It was a first for me as well, but I thought it was cool to take you along. But that's it for this time. Don't forget, hit the subscribe button, check the bell icon so that you get notifications, and hit that thumbs up button. It's really important for me to get my content out there in the YouTube universe. But now, from Bangkok, goodbye.